Yo, what's up, guys? Thought we'd do a little bit of a live stream. Why not? Got nothing else to do. Literally nothing else to do. Welcome in, everybody. What's good? What's good? I've literally been trying to catch this crude breakout trade all day. The pain has been paining. Yeah, this is just like this crude trade, man. This crude breakout is just so punching you in the face, obvious. And I've been trying to catch it all day, and I'm just getting chopped up. Blew my funded. Hey, bro, look. Check this out. Check that out right there. That's worse than blowing a funded, chat. I feel you though. This shit, I mean, this market, bro, is rough. I mean, I didn't trade in Q or gold, which is good because those two markets have just been so choppy. I actually traded crude all day. And I was right directionally about crude, just sized in too much and didn't expect such a deep pullback from 88 to 86. Anyways, we're trying to pass a lucid eval, chat. Did you tilt? No, I just used too much size and I just didn't frame up the trade right. That's all. I didn't tilt though. Just caught some heavy losses. Was trying to buy this dip in the 87s as we were trying to put in support. Started sizing up. Was in like 3 minis, and these drops were just painful, like $1,000 swings. Just bow, bow, paper cuts. Just framed it up wrong. It's all good though. It is what it is. Ropier is trash. It's horrible, dude. I've been telling y'all this. It's horrible. I try not to complain, but it's bad. Trading crude micros. No, these are minis on crude, and I'm trading eval because I want to pass it. And this, I can't trade it. I can't. It's such an obvious trade to me, but I can't trade it on anything because I'm locked out of this account. So I'm trying to trade it right here on an eval. Yeah, it's very obvious. I tried this trade too many times with two. Yeah, I just tried it too many times. Got cut up on it. But finally, it looks like we want to go. Yeah. I wish I could have caught this on my live account before I hit my DLL. All right, we need like $4,500 to get halfway past on this eval. How much you need to pass? It's fresh, so I need 4,500. Let's see if we can get it. Nothing like trying to pass an eval. Yo, what's good, Adam? All right, our next high is really that 89 level on the hourly. We have some resistance there, but this is just grinding up. This looks good. We should be able to go. I'm gonna add 2 more. I'm in 4 now. See how bad the timing was on that ad. I'll give it a little pullback, but you don't really want to see this get all the way back into the range here. You want to see it kind of hold above it. What firm? This is a lucid eval. What are we doing, crude? We're not gonna break out here. Crude. This is too aggressive of a pullback, my friend. It needs to stay above this range. All right, I'm gonna cut it. Cut it and re-enter whenever there's a damn good opportunity, I guess. Can't be pulling back into that range. Holy crap. Holy crap. Holy crap, that was a good cut. What the fuck's happening? Oh, this market is so wild. This market's crazy, man. I'm telling you. Holy shit. Why? We have news? Shoulda went short. Yeah, shoulda. Shit came out of nowhere, didn't it? I wonder if there's an agenda to keep oil like under $90 a barrel. What your experience with Lucid? Nothing but good experience with Lucid. They're solid. Yeah, dude. I wonder if there's an agenda to keep crude under $90 a barrel. This shit, like, what the fuck? Kind of shit. Well, we only took like a $650 loss on that. Unexpected stream. I've got nothing better to do. I've got nothing better to do. I did the mentorship stream. We ended green, kept trading a little bit, even though I was already green on the session by about 800 bucks. Hit DLL on my live account. Trying to take this crude long that looks really, really good, but it is god awful painful right now. All right, lows at 86.70. Do we hold? Thoughts on today's PA? Yeah, I thought it was horrible. It's been horrible all week, though. I didn't really trade in Q, though. I mean, crude was the cleanest mover today. I just couldn't get in it with the trend. Look at crude go. Oh, nice payout. Nice Cody. What's up? What's up? Crude was... Crude's down $2 in the last like 5 minutes. Well, almost blew my XFA today. Good thing you didn't blow it, bro. Nice. Nice. Just went on tilt and bought 20 Apex 50k evals. Did you blow the evals? Or did you just buy the evals because you're on tilt? Is that loss in one trade? No, this is this was me taking a couple trades on crude, trying to catch this breakout above 90. Dude, I said it and I'll say it again. It is so damn difficult. Lucid 50% off BPC. I think Lucid is 50% off with code BPC. If it's like your first account or two. If not, to 40% off. Yeah, what was I saying, dude? It is so difficult to like take 2 steps forward in this damn market. It's like you have one good day and then it's followed by like 2 or 3 bad days. It's like so shit, you know? Do I try to take a scalp on this crude? Are we able to hold 86.70? Do we trust the bottom? Like, that's the real question. Do we trust the bottom whenever crude just loses its floor for like 2 points in under a minute? Do I trust this bottom is the question. Today was asked for everybody. Yeah, I actually did really well in the morning, and then I just decided to keep trading because, well, crude was setting up nicely. But now we just ended up chopping all over the place. It's a nice pivot off of 17. Can we get above 40 on that? Try to hit a little scalp through 40 here. See how wrong we are. Nice pivot off the 15s. We've been consolidating under this level at 40. Let's see if we can pop 40. I do understand crude just dumped $2 in the last 5 minutes, so if this gets too ugly, I need to get out quick. Immediately hate it. Immediately hate it. I'm out. Have you taken a payout on your live? I have taken plenty of payouts on the live, yes. All right, we are down like 2K. Wait, not 2K. Wait, 1,500. What accounts are you trading? I'm just trading one Lucid Flex Eval. I'm going to try it one more time for the break of 40. We keep coming up and testing it. If we can squeeze past 40s, get into this 50s, 60s, we're going to be cooking. I feel like I have to look at this other chart because it's just easier to read. All right, we need to break the 40s here. Just don't know if I trust this bottom, man. And we push and fucking fade back down. Crude, you're killing me. You're killing me. .48's the high. Yeah, hit the like button. Appreciate that, Cody. All right, this is filling as well. Okay. We're on a fast track to blowing up this eval quick as hell. Down 18 hundo. 18 hundo. I mean, on a fast track to blow this eval up. Holy crap. Just can't even catch a breath of profit. Like, can't even see green for a second, dude. I can't even see green for a second. Jeez Louise. I see you trade small size. I don't know. I've been trading a couple minis. Fuck you, Crude. Crude's responsible for me hitting my daily loss limit. Crude's gonna be responsible for this eval getting blown up. I don't know. There might be more in motion here with the damn. I don't know if Crude can pop above 90. So I don't know if it's set in, if it's there might be outside factors stopping this shit from getting above 90. Truthfully. Gotta stop trading Crude. Well, I mean, look at NQ. It's not any better. NQ's not any better. Everything's flatline right now. How are you down 4.5? That's my daily loss limit. Oh boy. Do I try it again? I'm trying it again. It is eval after all. Although this is not a good practice. I would say this is not a good practice. Not a good practice. My ass is about to get cooked. How the fuck does this happen? I just got in. How the fuck am I filled above the candle? You're fucking with me, Trade of 8. The spread's 2 ticks. Okay. Boom. Boom. I added on the break. Let's get some follow through, damn it. Let's get 60s. I cannot even tell what my P&L is because it's just so glitchy. Boom goes the dynamite. Boom goes the dynamite. I would not actually be surprised if this eval gets blown up in less than a minute. Are you on tilt today? No, I'm trading an eval, bro. No, I'm not on tilt. I'm just trading an eval. This looks like predictive gambling. Okay, okay. However you want to view it. Are you a trader yourself? Saying that? Maybe. Maybe not. Trading is predictive gambling. I don't want to hear it. Trading is predictive gambling, 100%. That's the craziest shit I've ever heard. Whenever you're putting risk on the line for an unknown, like an unknown outcome, it's gambling. It's a gamble. I mean, that in essence is a gamble. It's a gamble. We are not getting follow through on this trade, though. We might just let it go to blow, I guess. We might just let it go to blow. I don't really have a lot of drawdown to keep entering, exiting. I kind of have to commit to it at this point. I've only got like 2K drawdown. But this doesn't look good. Looks like we might fade here into the 87 level. If you're trading with Lucy, why aren't you going for the trade seat platform? I don't know. The goal is to eventually be able to use Tradeovate and then just copy trade all the accounts there. So I didn't bother getting Trade C. I'm sure it's good though. What's your eval pass rate? I have no clue. Eval pass rate. I don't think it's all that high. Oh shit. TikTok can't even see. TikTok can't see. Yeah, this Crude trade feels like it's gonna be dead. No more top step. Yeah, bro, I still got top step. I just hit my loss limit on it like a dummy. You've been coughing. You've been catching a lot of L's lately. I'm telling you, bro. I have been. I have been. It's insane, right? How many live streams in a row have we been red? It almost feels impossible that we're this red. All right, Crude. Give me my fate. He said all of them. Dude, I've been catching L after L after L after L. The worst part is I don't even feel like I don't even feel like we've been able to see green at all on most of the trades, just like instantly red. I remember what it feels like to see green on the chart. Oh shit. This is an eval right now, bro. I'm down bad. This is just an eval. This is my live account. I have my loss limit on it, trying to trade this Crude dumpster fire trade. Interested to see what this looks like out above 60 if we can get it. Down 5K is atrocious. Y'all are mean, bro. Shit. Y'all are mean. I took 3 off. Yeah, no, it's pretty rough. It's pretty rough. Trading an asset you've never traded before, sized heavy, and think it will go right. Bro, I've fucking traded Crude before, dude. I wasn't born yesterday, silly guy. Why are you assuming I've never traded Crude before? You silly boy. Been trading this shit since birth. Dumbass boy. And I'm sized heavy because it's an eval. How much? Well, with that, we've recovered to about $1,000 in profit. I'd like to see this go into 88. You think that's possible? Ah, what's good, SG? There's a reason why your live account says negative 4K. No data, no statistical edge on Crude. Okay, my friend. Bro thinks he's going to win every single trade. Sounds like that. All good. How are you? I'm doing good, man. You have abs? No. Unexpected stream. Yeah, we'll be live tonight too, but I mean, I was supposed to go on Top Step, but the scheduling got messed up, so I'm just sitting here at my computer. And then I was like, man, I still like this Crude long still feels like a very good trade. I've taken the trade a couple times. Hit the loss limit on my live account, just trying to buy some of these pullbacks with too much size. And I was like, man, I still want to take this trade, so let me just cook up a live real quick. Why not? I think oil will continue to go up. I do too. I do too. I guess we'll find out, but at least short term, this breakout into the 90s feels very likely. Maybe we see that move tonight. I would like to trade. We'll try to trade it tonight in the Asia session, Crude. If we can get back into the 90s, that would be good. Are you halfway past? No, no. I would be, but I took some paper cuts. Would it be dumb of me to enter? Man, you know what? I think you should use the education that you've learned and you know, your technical analysis that you do to feel confident about a trade and follow your plan, and if it tells you that it's stupid to get in, then it tells you that it's stupid to get in. Crude's just a fucker. All right, we're like break even on the account. There's like fucking news every minute. There's like news every single minute. Look at that wick. They keep reiterating that oil will be coming down. That's what they just said. The reiteration that oil will be lower is like a little scary. Do we trust that? I think Crude goes to 90. But this is just such a fucking... Right now, it's very difficult to catch this breakout here above 88. Every time we get there, it's just like, even here, really heavy. Really heavy. Okay, so we're break even on the account. We need to make a $4,500 trade. Let's go look at NQ. Let's go shopping. There's just like so much news today. It's not like news, it's like just little headlines about Trump said something or this, that, the other. Oh my god. Oh my god with the news bombs, dude. This thing's like the markets are so unstable, it's insane. You could literally just be in a short and get lucky as shit and just TP in like less than a second with some of the shit that we're looking at. Like, what is that? Crazy, man. Crazy. Crazy. Hot dog hamburgers. Honest take. Like, is that the right path or what? Trying to make it simple, man. Nobody's account is safe in this market. Nobody's account. Not even an eval is safe. Yeah, today's a very news heavy day. Just like it almost seems like every little price leg that we've seen has just been like not actual trading, but like a news spike. Did you bait us with the screenshot? I can't believe you lost 4K. Yeah, I did, bro. I got smacked on. It ain't a big deal. I mean, it's annoying, but it's not a big deal. It's what it is. All right, are we going to break 87 here on Crude? God forbid you lose the live account. Hey, don't wish that on me. What would be next? Just keep trading. Try to get it back. Oh, nice, Adam. Somebody's passing combines. There's people passing combines out there. That gives me hope. Yeah, this crude trade feels like just is getting killed. It's just getting killed. Holy crap, look at gold. Think we get into the momentum on gold, chat, or is that a mistake? Can we write it down a little bit until the next pullback? Let's try it. Let's get in. Let's get on gold shorts. Let's get on gold shorts. Let's see if we can at least trade it into that next support level and then see what the reaction looks like. So look for 70s. 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 See if we can catch some clean momentum here. The entries are unbelievable. I mean, they're unbelievable. I mean, the entries are so damn good. I'm telling you, man. I've been very impressed with the entries lately. The fact that I'm able to literally short the bottom is fascinating. I don't know how I do it. Years of skill, I guess. Years of skill. All right, let's see. Did you thin your mustache? I did thin the mustache. It was looking a little like overgrown, a little bit crazy. So yeah, I had to thin it. I mean, that entry is just beautiful. To the tick. Catch at the bottom of this move. Okay. I'm rethinking everything. Was trying to play the momentum lower, but that literally came to a screeching halt. So now it's like, well, now what's the plan? I don't know, dude. Literally, when it comes to evals, I'm just trying to get into the damn market and follow the current direction a little bit. I mean, like, let's make it simple. We're trying to pass this damn eval. This market's so damn choppy that I don't think, like right now, there's not a lot of great trading opportunities. I would like to just get in with the trend a little bit, but I can't even do that. I'm shorting the bottom. My mustache was looking too much. Yeah, I had to thin it. All right, dude. What are we doing? Good lord. Good lord. Good lord. Thought I was the only one too. When I enter a trade, it's like I'm placing the price support resistance myself. Yeah, I'm creating the level of support when I take this sell trade. It's incredible. Yeah, I guess it's just the nature of a market that is pinballing. You're just statistically, I guess, without even really noticing, you're just going to be shorting support more often than a market that is directional, right? I guess that's just the numbers right behind that. If we're trading a market that's pinball like this, and I short, naturally I'm going to feel like sometimes I'm shorting and then price just immediately bounces. That's just the nature of the market we're in, you know? We need more size. I don't think 3 minis is going to get it done with how slow this is moving. We need more size. Market range is 70% of the time. Okay, that's an interesting statistic. That's an interesting statistic. What kind of count? This is a Lucid Flex evaluation. 2 days to pass, 50% consistency. No daily loss limit. Trying to get it past here. Can we get to that 170 level? The losing streak's ending tonight. Let's go. Appreciate that, man. Appreciate those words. Well, what's the word for it? If we have lost multiple days in a row, it becomes statistically more likely that eventually we won't lose, right? What's the theory behind that? Like, if I keep losing every day, eventually I'm going to not lose, right? It becomes more likely that I won't lose. So don't bet against me. Yeah, no, we've legit been red the past 8 nights, I think. I don't remember the last green Asia session I've had. Candace theory? Gambler's fallacy? I like that. Is it actually called Gambler's? I thought he was trolling. Gambler's fallacy? No? But it is true, though, statistically. It has to be true. You can lose forever. Well, if it's a game of... Well, no, that's not true. If we take trading... Look, I can be the worst trader ever, but at the end of the day, trading is the same as a coin toss, 50-50, right? I can either be wrong about the market going up or right about the market going up, or down, vice versa. So if you take the statistic of 50% of the time I'm going to be right or wrong, and then you run that through, like, you can't be wrong forever. Eventually, like, if I flip heads 8 times in a row, then it becomes way more likely that on the 9th time I'm going to flip tails, right? Like, if I've lost 8 nights in a row in the overnight session, it becomes much more likely that eventually we'll win. Come on, dude. Fuck. I couldn't pay this market to, like, come down a little bit. Oh, gold, gold, gold. It does kind of feel like you just can't win here. If you're trading purely discretionally without rules or backtakes, then you can lose infinitely. No, you still can't lose infinitely. You're bound to be right eventually. That's not true. Y'all know that's not true. Nobody ever. If you're trading a 1-to-1 risk to reward, and, like, you're not greedy, like, you just have it set up mechanically where it'll take profit or hit stop, you could not just simulate 20 trades and lose every single one. You would eventually hit one. I don't care if you're buying at resistance levels or support levels, or if you're longing during downtrends and shorting during uptrends. Eventually, you cannot run 20 simulated trades and never be right about one of them. Just running like a simple 1-to-1. It's impossible. I don't believe it. Statistically, it's impossible. Tells 10 times in a row doesn't make heads more likely the next flip. Still 50%. I don't know. I feel like it. I mean, yes, at face value, it is still 50%, but then there's a whole nother statistic of okay, now you're running a simulation of coin flips that are supposed to be equal, right? 50-50 equals, and now it's like this has gone on for 10 flips and we haven't broken. So, like, what's the statistic? There's a statistic within a statistic in there. Anyways, we're going to be green tonight, damn it. We are going to be green tonight, I promise you that. So y'all better be there, man. Because tonight, we ride. Tonight, we ride. And I feel like it's going to be a big one. It's going to be a big one. Let's get it tonight. We're using minis tonight, damn it. On the live account, minis. I feel good about it. Wow. Gold just literally came to a screeching halt. Screeching halt. Yeah, yeah. Alrighty. Tank this shit. There's like no volume in gold, I guess, because we're settled. But yeah, dude, we are just so sideways. This eval might be cooked. Yeah, we're trading minis tonight, damn it. I'm telling you. When do you plan? New videos will be up sometime this week, pal. I'm working on a lot of stuff. When you join a code on slow markets, I have no clue. Whenever he invites me, I guess. Jeez, buddy. I mean, we took this short, and the markets have literally just froze. Totally froze. Damn, bro. Why did I think Power Hour might be interesting today? That was obviously not the right thought. This is the slowest. I don't think I've ever seen gold move so damn slow. I mean, I know it's settled, but like, come on now. What's happening here? Nothing much. Just taking L's. Taking L's. Sitting in this gold trade that is painfully sideways. Where's your 17K trade on? It was on Crude. Wouldn't believe it with the price action we're seeing today, but it was on Crude. It was the overnight on Crude. It was actually this move right here. Oop. It was that move. Gold's gotta dump. Got to. At this point, I'm like Kramer. Y'all can just literally fade anything I do and be right about a trade. I mean, that's literally. I'm sure there's people that come to the live stream to just fade my trades and do really well for themselves. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. That's right. I know. I know you're in there fading me. It's gonna work until it doesn't work. Yo, how many likes? How many likes do we got on the stream? Let's do a little New York session stream coming at you. Make sure we hit the likes button. Can we get 100 likes, chat? Literally trying to pass this eval, but I mean, we just can't even move anywhere. This is impossible. Ooh. I'm gonna add 2 more to make shit interesting because we're just painfully sideways. So now we're in 7. Are you a funded prop trader? Yes, KJ, I'm a funded prop trader. Never add to a losing trade. Huh. No, that's a good, yeah, I mean, yeah, you're right. This is an evaluation though, so it's more or less for entertainment purposes. Market moving disgusting. I'm telling you. You're telling me, I'm telling you. I really want to see Crude go get into hopefully tonight Crude can get to 90. Did you see the US said they took down like 28 mines or something that were in the Strait of Hormuz? Hormuz? Yeah, dude, I'm going to explain this 50% consistency rule so quick. You have your profit target. Say on a 50K, that profit target is $3,000. What the prop firm wants you to do to abide by that 50% consistency rule is make no more than 50% of that profit target in one single trading session. Meaning, if you're trading that evaluation right now, by the end of the day, you don't want to make any more than $1,500. That's the most that you should make. If you make more than $1,500, your profit target's going to increase. So keep the daily profit target for yourself under 1,500, meaning you could pass that evaluation in 2 days. Just make 1,500 the first day and 1,500 the second day. Basically, we were taking, yeah, you don't want to make more than 50% of your profit target. Your main profit target is 3K. They don't want you making more than 1,500 in a day. All right, gold. Do whatever the hell you want to do. I'm a little bit over it today. To be honest. I mean, at some point, this price action just starts to come to such a slow standstill that it's like, okay, no opportunity here. I would like to pass this eval, but it's feeling a little impossible. I think we'll just leave this trade on, see if we dump back. If not, nothing new. I gave up trading today. Yeah, I mean, that's awesome. Giving up trading, just give it up. I'm pretty much giving it up. I'm not trading anything meaningful, just an eval. Pretty much over it at this point. Don't care really what happens with this account. Prefer to pass the combine, but I'm a little bit over it as well. There's no more opportunity for the day. It's all the opportunity has been come and gone. How are you still not breached the rule? These are 150Ks. I've got another $2,000 to draw down. Which, if we just keep army crawling up, we might go hit it. We'll see. So since I made $1,900 at profit, target today is 4K. Yeah, if the profit target's 4K, then yeah, you're good. You don't want to make more than 2K. Oh God, gold, stop the pain. Oh no. Yeah, crude's breaking down. I have $1,000 to draw down before we blow up. Rip eval. I don't remember the last time I passed an eval. Actually, I do. It was like a week ago, but feels like a long time. GG's. Just about. Pretty much need to reverse off 84, otherwise we're cooked. Close it, WTF. I have no drawdown left, brother. I have $400 drawdown. We either reverse here or I'm cooked anyhow. No point trying to close it now. But yeah, I got smoked on that. Now listen, guys, this is an eval, right? Obviously, this is an eval. This isn't a funded account. This isn't a live account. It's an eval. I just want to clarify that. Of course, no way in hell I would want to be holding $4,000 to draw down, right? But this is an eval. I want everybody to understand that. Not saying it's good trading practices, but at the same time, you know. Example of what not to do. Yeah, I mean, I guess. This is definitely not trading practices that I would implement in actual funded trading or live trading. Evals also cost money for us. No, I agree. It's just, I'm just trying to get it past. Being very aggressive with it. I mean, it's cool to take a while to pass evals, but you just have to commit to it. But I mean, there really is two roads. You're either trying to pass it quick or you're just trying to pass it slow, which is nothing wrong with that. But I mean, I'm literally trying to pass it quick, so. $1K with 5 micros is doable. No, I agree. Yeah, I mean the 50K accounts. The 50K accounts are a little bit easier to, you know, take a couple days to pass because the profit target isn't insane. Yeah, I hear that, Sin. So after blowing a few evals, I just copy traded an eval so my funded and take the slow route. That's a good idea. It's a good idea. I've done that. I've done that. Yeah, that is smart. I've done that before. Like get a couple, you can do a couple, be aggressive, you know, pass a couple evals and then take it slow. Or just use that as your lead account and then just slowly pass evals. Nothing wrong with that. Bro, every time I join your live, you are red. Hard to see. Well, I appreciate your... I appreciate that you care. This was looking good at 180s, but if we bounce too hard, we'll see. Take it easy, no foul. He has winning days, chat, I promise. somewhere. Oh, shit. This evo's gonna get blown. Rip. She gone. She gone, chat. She gone. Well, I see you with the code on slow markets. I think you mentioned getting me on there at some point. I'm just kind of waiting. I don't know. Maybe. No! Literally, if we break 83.5 here on gold, I think we're just about cooked. These evals are hard, bro. How do y'all pass these? How come you're not out? It was 42. The drawdown's 45, which should be right about now. Right about now. Trading day's over, though. Gold, save me, gold. Save me. Save me. I mean, we are literally on the borderline. Why do I feel like we're good? Nah, we're not good. I think she's gone. Rip. Yeah, she gone. Oh, no. Oh, shit, I'm embarrassed. Okay, guys. I booted up a live stream. Spent $150 on an evaluation account and blew it up. Feel like a loser. Yeah, I don't know, man. It's hard. There's no direction. It's just difficult as is. All right. Well, at least we kept the damage at a minimal. Kind of. Appreciate it. That's what it's about, man. It's just about entertainment at the end of the day. Sorta. Not a great trading environment, but that's not really an excuse. We probably shouldn't have been trading it. Never seen an account blown live? Nah, really? Well, I mean, that was only an eval. It's not like a funded account or anything. Come back and get it. We're coming back tonight. Loki. Now go and delete the stream. Nah. No, I want to delete it. It's not that embarrassing because it is an eval. It's not that embarrassing. These markets rough though, chat. They rough. So you stream Asia? Yeah. I'm gonna stream Asia. Tonight. Hopefully tonight's really good. Hopefully tonight's really good. I think it will be, considering the fact that we've lost the past 8 nights in a row. Tonight should be a good turnaround night. We might use some middies or something. We might get wild tonight. Depending on if there's a good setup. We might use some minis. Because I'm feeling it. Big loss. Hold up. No, dude, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it tonight. We're gonna hit one. It's statistically impossible to lose again tonight. Is this all just algo manipulation, do you think? No, I think the markets are I think it's an uncertain market. It's not super stable. We're just chopping about with no direction. So naturally, it's just very difficult to trade. That's all. But these markets are difficult. I mean, y'all know that. I don't need to tell y'all that. They're difficult markets. They tough. I think everybody's getting their ass whipped. All right, guys. We will be back tonight. Market's closed in 30 minutes. Let's blow one more. Should we? Blow it one more. If you'll have to tell me, dude. If I got it, if I did do another eval, I'll just do a long on Crude and see if we can pop 88 into the close. I mean, that's like everything else is rangy anyways. There's not really. We probably shouldn't. We probably shouldn't. One more time. One more time. I could just get long on Crude, but I'd likely just blow up with how choppy it is. Okay, no, here's what we'll do. Y'all come back tonight. I'm going to go live tonight. We'll trade my live account. And then we'll trade an eval. We'll trade an eval tonight because the night sessions have been a little bit better. We'll trade an eval tonight. That's what I'll do instead. That's what I'm going to do instead. I'm going to go chill out, man. Go work on some stuff. Appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all for coming into the stream, watching me blow that eval up. It was fun. It's a fun time. All right, y'all. Yeah, don't trade this shit. I agree. This is pretty shit. All right, y'all. Peace. God bless. See y'all tonight. Be there.